Hi, my name is Nick Anderson, and today I'm going to teach you how to tune your guitar using a Snark tuner or a clip-on tuner. If you don't have a Snark tuner and you want one, I've got an Amazon affiliate link in my description below, and that'll help me make a little bit of money for helping you guys out tuning your guitars. So let's get right into it. All right, I've got this handy-dandy Snark camera, as we're going to call it, so you can see exactly what's going on. So I like to start with our 6th string, or our E string, which is going to be the thickest string on your guitar. And then once we strum that, right now it's perfectly in tune, but let's say your guitar is like this and you're like, oh gosh, it says B. We need to get that up to an E. So we know that that's too low. We can just hear it, it doesn't sound right, so we know that we want to go up higher. To go up higher, we're going to turn this counterclockwise. Now we're to C, so we're getting closer to E. D. Oh, closer, closer, and there's E. So we're on the right letter now, but you're like, Nick, how do I get it in the middle there? Well, first of all, we want it to get to the middle. That's where we know it's actually in tune. So I'm going to go ever so slightly higher and higher until right there, it's right in the middle. Let's say I accidentally go too high. Oh, now it's an F. Now I got to go lower. So now I'm going to turn this clockwise until I get back down to E. Now here's a mistake a lot of guitar players make. If I get down to that E perfectly, and I was up here, you don't want to just leave it there. You want to go a little bit past, down, and then come back up. Reason being, you want your string to be coming tighter, not coming looser. If it's coming looser, your guitar will tend to go flat. But if you come from below and then up to the right note, it tends to stay in tune a little bit better. So there's E. And once you get the hang of this, I do have a video with just no talking, just the notes throughout the entire guitar. That's linked below as well, so you can use that to help you along with this tuning video. Other than that, eventually your ear will be able to hear the different notes, and you'll be able to just do it really quickly. I know that's a little bit difficult because you're like, well, how do I know if I'm going too high or too low? You kind of just got to listen to how a guitar is in tune, get it close, and then use the tuner to get you from there. Otherwise, as a beginner, sometimes it's easy to, go way like an octave higher E, like this is an E, but there's also an E above that that's even higher, like this one. So you wouldn't want those to be the same note because this is a really thick string on the 6th string. All right, continuing on. Next is our A string, the 5th string. So we're right in the middle there, but let's say we were down here at G sharp. We would want to tighten by going counterclockwise until we're right in the middle there, ever so slightly. Boom, we were perfect on an A there. But what if I accidentally went past it? Again, you want to go down until you're below it and then come back up. There we go. Next is D. Perfectly in tune. G, perfectly in tune. B, perfectly in tune. And E, perfectly in tune. Alright, I hope this video was super helpful. This was how to tune your guitar using a Snark or a clip-on tuner. Again, I've got a link below where you can grab a Snark tuner if you don't have one, and I've also got a link for a video with no talking, just the notes of a guitar. Alright, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.